Marami pong kwento. Hindi ko po alam kung ako po yung nararapat na magkwento po rito sa TRICOM sapagkat yung iba, wala naman po akong personal knowledge. What I can say is that they have 9 construction firms that we have seen now in the news, the 9 calling card companies of the spouses Diskaya, where they have used dummies, where they have become huge contractors. All of these 9 companies are based in Pasig. Practically all of these companies have tax deficiencies, probably with the BIR as well, but definitely with the LGU. Marami po silang violations. Recently, they have been, Mr. Diskaya has been recently convicted of 2 counts of building code violations. So medyo notorious po ito. Nagsimula sila sa LGU. Again, with regard to the question of the chair, kahit nung mayor na ako, nangungontrata pa rin sila sa LGU. Kasi pinapatupad po namin sa Pasig ay strict adherence to the law, which is open and public bidding. So pag nagko-qualify po sila mula 2019, hindi po namin hinaharangan. May mga project po sila sa City Government of Pasig. Hindi naman siguro kalakihan na project, pero meron po silang projects with the city. And we have observed with the DPWH, palaki ng palaki yung mga project nila. Yung napag-uusapan po ngayon na 31 billion pesos of flood control projects. Katunayan, flood control projects pa lang po ito. Hindi bababa sa 100 billion pesos ang total contracts po nila sa ating pamahalaan, Mr. Chair.